Good morning everyone and welcome to this daily update on the Bitcoin and the Alts. It's gonna be normally a short one, to be fair, because there is nothing crazy to update on everything on Bitcoin, on the Alts. So yeah, not gonna be 1 hour and a half this time. Gonna try also to make them a bit shorter than usual. And because yeah, I'm gonna record some few updates next. But anyway, hope you're all doing very well today. We still have this nice range to trade on Bitcoin. You can see how perfectly well respected this is at the moment. The only thing we need to be aware of really for the support is a VWAP. If you're gonna be of a low time frame right here, you can see we've got this nice support with the VWAP, support with the VWAP, support again. So well, this is pretty cool. Just gonna check as always that the sound is working well. Yes, really nice. Gonna go and pop out the chat here. Perfect. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here again. How are you doing, guys? And girls, by the way, maybe, I don't know. So here, Bitcoin. Let's go first of all on this chart here. So we just have to, by the way, really pay attention. I mean, if you want to, you do whatever you want as always. About the MC strategy targets, this is just absolutely insane. Really, this is absolutely crazy. Like yesterday I showed you really that I've got my limits placed above the top here. So the first one we've got stopped out, the second one you got a nice short trade, and you got I mean, we talked about this nice drop yesterday right here. So we talk about a quick move down here. This quick move down brings us with an entry to the absolute dollar. This is absolutely insane. Right here, if you go in the MC strat there, you can see that the entry really is the top. So the first one you get stopped out, so you take the loss. Then you get filled on 2 or 3 targets normally. So you have an even bigger quantity, and here you drop. We talk about 1,500 move to the downside, so you completely refunded that and made even more than this. Then you come back up again, go into the MC strategy target, and come back down again, and here you get well, the $400 move, the first take profit. Really, you can see here even 400, 500, 600. So this is pretty insane. And so now, well, we have these ones above, so we can remove all of these and we can look for the higher ones. So that brings us with this nice short trade, and well, all the loss are refunded, everything. And in any case, as I said, the long is way bigger than the low. So if we have to get stopped out, well, apply the following risk management. The long will cover the losses if we have to take these losses and go higher directly. So that's pretty cool. All of this is working well, and if you don't know how to trade this, simply go into the pinned message here, click this jump here, and you will get the explanation on how to trade this MC strategy. And if you ask me what it is, well, I'm not going to answer because I'm gonna keep it private for the moment. So here, Bitcoin, let's go here first of all on the daily time frame as always. Gonna go on this there is no new levels, no new daily level, because we don't have 2 consecutive candle close on the daily time frame, one down and one up, so no bring us with a new daily. So here, naked session, path control, we have none. TPO, we have 166 150. So let's take this TPO 66 150, not on the time frame but in the coordinates. Perfect. And then we have what here, the NPOC. Let's check on the TIX one. No, so that's the only level we have today. We're going to have a look next at the order flow really quick to see if there are some few data and some few stuff to be aware of. Let's come back here really quick. So yeah, that brings us with a level for day traders. Again, this is not for swing traders. For swing traders, it's better to wait for lower prices to come. But you do have this possible TPO. You know, you have the lows here for scalpers to take. I mean, only that low, by the way, plus the current lows, and you have a support close by. So as always, that can bring us with a possible long trade. For now, all the trades are following perfectly. You know, this was the first square we've planned, the first green square. So we've got a bounce from here, and we go into the first red square that is here. So nice naked session path control level. And so now, well, for scalpers really we have all these supports, and for swing traders, well, wait for some few lows here to be taken. As always, are we going to take these lows or not? Well, only time can tell. We do not need to go that down if we have to be in a super bullish uptrend next. We have to keep intact this bullish market structure, so to speak, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, and high, high, high. So well, yeah, nothing more to add on this. Just be aware of for scalpers this new level here, TPO, that can bring us, you know, with a possible long trade like this around the lows there. Look for well, to VWAP, for example, here. and stop loss will be placed on the bottom, and there is always a possibility of going higher next. So yeah, still this nice range otherwise to be aware of. This is what we planned yesterday really. So as you can see on the 1 hour we just have some wicks above, it's not breaking, and now we've got a nice flip to resistance of this. By the way, didn't check the data, so let's go on the order flow. Let's yes, perfect. So let's go here, let's see what we have. So bullish absorption there, yes, bring us with a new high. From this new high we form next a bearish absorption, high, low, high. So that brings us with what here? Well, we do have this bullish CVD here again, low, high, low, but we did got a bit of a bounce, and from this bounce we've got what? Some small absorption here on the highs. We've got some longs on the lows here defending, not stopped out, some few longs here, and now we have some few shorts. Well, nothing crazy to be honest with you here. Let's go on a bit of a lower time frame to see a bit better. Alright, so here absorption on the lows, on the highs, no demand to reverse this. These ones got absorbed, I guess. Yes, this reverse, and now we have what? Some longs closing, shorts closing here. Well, there is no trade for me in this. I'm gonna wait for something better to come. I'm not going to lay. This is well, it's perfect to be fair. We can rest like this because we've got some crazy volatility for 2 weeks, as I said yesterday. So it's nice we're range bound now. And well, as I said yesterday, we'll have a flip time on the 11th of March. You know, we have so where is this? We have a flip time on the 11th of March. The first one was the 3rd of March, and so it was the beginning of the rise, literally the beginning of the rise of this new all-time high we've done. And the next one is around the 11th of March, so I will not be surprised, as I said yesterday, to see Bitcoin range bound. Now, if we do something, we do breakout, for example, well, we do, what can I say? But I will not be surprised to see Bitcoin being range bound until the 11th, so until Monday. And look at this, in addition to the flip time that was planned in 2023 already. I mean, I guessed this also, but anyways, I was not aware of this. It's also the government shuts off banks' emergency loans. So, well, this is a nice fundamental stuff confluence, if you can say that. So, well, technical analysis, if you say good, you can plan some nice stuff. That's pretty nice. So maybe it's going to wait for this really, and that will be cool to just be range bound, you know, within this range. As I said yesterday, we can still break this up to a failed auction, swing through a pan, so we did, and on the lows too. And even if we break down, we can look for the lower targets we've planned below. So yeah, nothing more to add on this. The short target, the long target is there, and if we break out, well, new all-time high, and for a new all-time high, we can be aware of these different configurations. So before to look for a new all-time high, we'll have this possible A, B, C flat. If we have to come back down, you know, within the range again, we can look for a possible C wave, okay, so into the B wave or a wave 2. It depends again if this is an A, B, C zigzag to make a longer correction into the wave 2, okay, well, into that wave 2 in that case, by the way, into this one. Or if this is an impulsive style, so to speak here, wave 1, 2, in that case, next after this we can look for a 3, 4, 5 massive push to the upside. But for now, I'm spotting this possible ABC flat to not be too bullish, too bearish, still to be range bound really. So this will make more sense. As always, keep in mind an ABC flat can be a double EXY2, okay, it's possible. So we can just not get 5 waves here, but a triple wave, a correction, it's enough. So that's why these days it's a bit complex to determine if it's an ABC flat or a double XY, so it's a bit more tricky to trade, because sometimes you're going to wait for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're not going to get a wave 4 and 5 because this is a triple wave, as you're in a WXY, as now the X wave can break the W root. That was not, I mean, I never got this case before really, except in some really massive uptrends trends, but it was like some WXY like this, by the way, WXY, so you do not even get a retracement on this, but you're really in some massive push-ups. Well, here we're in a strong uptrend, but well, this is still not the parabolic move, so we cannot really take this. But anyways, so yeah, for now I'm spotting this ABC flat, okay, into the wave 2 or a B wave, and if we have, for example, to take the highs, so take the highs or maybe directly, for example, well, still be aware of that. We can absolutely get a retracement. It will be simply here for a longer, for example, well, simply a longer correction here, triple wave again, okay, into the wave 2, and so we'll just make something a bit longer really. And well, if we start to break out, well, what we have to take is very simple. We simply take this big impulsive to the upside, and so in that case we should reach minimum 88,000 on Bitcoin, because this is a 1618 of the wave 3, and this is a minimum to reach with this wave 3. We have more chance to reach minimum, so we can go of course a lot higher. Then we have the 200%, 2618, 3618, 423.16, all these wave 3 targets. But yeah, for now too early, so we're gonna stay with this, okay? So Bitcoin, we are done. Just gonna read the chat really quick before to continue, and next gonna do a quick review of all my alts watch lists, and we're gonna do it really quick because there is nothing crazy to update, to be honest with you. Working, well, nice. Thanks for watching while you're walking. Hope you're still able to do so, to walk. But good luck by the way, mate. Are you looking at any new altcoins? Yes, I've got a list, but I didn't got time to do this simply because yesterday I was doing all the alt requests right here. So I've done, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 7, 8, because I have done all of this yesterday, normally, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, so I've done 1, 2, yeah, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 altcoins yesterday. So, well, didn't got time to do the stuff on my side next to check out the new outs, but I have a list now. Well, I will see if there are some good or not. So if you was requesting, I mean, if you was asking for example for one of these outs, well, you've got your TA into the either into the other TA section, either in here. It depends if I prefer it or not. If I prefer it, it's in there. If not, well, it's in there. But you have your RNDR, by the way. E-Gold, a really nice one, by the way. Bought the back of this personally. Feed also, I bought the back of this. Days here. Floki Unstoppable, well, you've got a nice long trade. We've planned a long trade and just, well, planned a trade, the plan, what can I say, it is just perfect, really. And so I'm gonna record an update today to determine the wave 5 targets and all of this. And if you want to stay updated, really, on many altcoins, for example, I don't have any videos made on YouTube about the E-Gold plan, about Ethereum, about FET, about Gala, about GRT, about Hex, about ACP. All of these are really on the Discord server, so if you have no account yet on Discord, make an account, join the Discord server, and all of these channels are absolutely free. You also have some updates on Bitcoin. For example, here yesterday was looking for this nice fake out given by Anton, and so well, you've got this nice fake out. As I say, this is not a needle wave triangle, so watch out for a needle, for a fake out really of a triangle. And so we did got a fake out, we did got a reclaim, but we still got a nice scalp short here. You take break 1, set a stop loss on 3, and you've made your money really, and you got your fake out with this nice channel again and everything. So really, if you want to stay updated, make sure to join it, sign up if you don't have an account, and otherwise we'll just join in. Really, it's free, and you will just enjoy with this nice MCA strategy channel here that gave some good trade yesterday too. Good morning, mate. My French guy. I am your guru, you're my French guy. If it's you normally. Or are you through on Ethereum doing at for an absolutely insane time ahead? Yes, guys, please give a like to the video. Thanks, mate. I appreciate as always this kind of message. This helps a lot. Thank you, thank you. Gonna do the review of all of the accounts, so I'm gonna go on Ethereum too. So first of all, let's go on AGX. AGX, well, we got a bounce from the wave 4. What can I say? Everything is falling perfectly again. Yesterday was a bit around there, if I'm mistaken. We've got to move into the maximum target, so this is a take profit sorry. Now, if we go for an extension, so speak the wave 5, go past the maximum target, well, it's very simple. You just have to zoom out a bit here, go on the daily time frame at the green wave 3 targets, and you simply have to look for all of these targets above us, so to speak, the 1618, so the most common wave 3 target. If we go above 200%, I'll let you check the price on the right. I'm not gonna say everything on the price. Then we have the 2618, 3618 and the 423.16. How to add this fib pool? You just have to take the extension tool there or on the left here into this, and you click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, third on the wave 2 bottom. From here you add the following targets I gave you, and these will be the targets for the wave 3 to be in and the wave 4 retracement. If we retrace, as I said yesterday, from the exact to 618, so now we went a bit above, so we can move this a bit higher, we can simply take the retracement tool, first click on the wave 3 top, so this top here is a wave 5 top, depending on how you want to view this. Then second click on the wave 2 bottom, so the one here, and then you just have to add the following targets: 23.16 MC fib, so 31.32, 38.2, 50%, and so this will be the buy zone where we expect a bounce. If we start breaking this, well, it means that it was a C wave, and after a C wave, it's just a crash. There is no wave 4 and 5, so this is something to be aware of as always. And if we push a lot higher, they said, well, all the targets above here. If we don't retrace from here, so Atom, nothing crazy to update on that one, it's just pumping, nothing to worry at the moment. Don't forget, something a bit bearish but still bullish at the end will be simply to make a longer wave 2 OB wave, and that will be simply here a WXY or an ABC flat. So WXY or ABC flat, trap some shorts, make some people bearish and come back up, for example here. Just gonna check here if we have some good targets. Richard went a bit too much, yeah, it's too high for an ABC flat, so the only thing if we have to retrace will be a WXY, or as always C wave done, and so we are going in that case for a new low. But it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bullish, there is no reason normally to do this, so we can still look for high prices or the bigger WXY into the wave 2 or B wave. AVAX, well, everything is following perfectly again. What can I say? We just reclaim, nothing to update. AXS, pump it please to the moon, because I pushed the back of this, so looking forward really. Well, as always, possible leading 1 2 3 4 5, then bigger wave 1 2 and bam, come back up, or this wave 1 2 1 2 bam, massive move to the upside. So what you can see on the chart here, again, we can make a big triple wave even if we take the highs. All of this is possible. Don't forget all these configurations. Boba, well, it's rising. We was here or here yesterday, I can't remember exactly. Here, by the way. We got the breakout, so now looking for all these smaller wave. Personally took a small scalp on this, but well, it is really a small thing, a small trade, nothing crazy big. Well, all the waves are following perfectly, you know, so yesterday was looking for this wave 4 and then a wave 5, so we did got the wave 5, but normally it should be not fully feeling shit, because we have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 next. So this wave 5 will complete the blue, then we'll have the red wave 3 to be in, and then bam, wave 4, wave 5, and again wave 3, 4, 5, and these will complete simply the C wave or the wave 3. If you want to get a full technical analysis, by the way, simply go and check at the, watch at the yesterday's live stream. You have everything in there, so to speak into the one here. The yesterday one, you have also a nice, you have the chapters in these videos, as you can see here. You have Bitcoin, for example, here, AGX, Atom, everything really, so you know exactly when is what. Not gonna do this for every single because every single live, because it's a bit long to do, not gonna lie, and well, yeah, don't have so much time sometimes to do this, so it depends. Sometimes it's here, sometimes not. But anyway, Boba, so pretty cool, everything is following. Bonk, well, personally placed some few limits below, so as I said, into the yesterday targets given, so to speak, into here if we have to go more down again, so in this below this low, and really one in here, but well, you do as you want really. It's just my plan. I have a risk management behind. If I get stopped out, I know what I'm going to lose. I'm not going to blow up my account. I have risk management behind. I'm not playing my house on this, you can say that, and I'm never going to play my house on any single trade I'm going to take. So well, if you want to follow, you follow. Now you know what I'm doing. If you don't want, you don't want, and you don't do really. And I'm already long from this here. I did not close it that long, so I'm still in there. I'm just going to compound if I have to well, go lower or take my limits really. So yeah, a lot of levels in there, but it was just yesterday, so I know exactly where to place my limits. CELR, nothing to add on this. I'm not trying the lower time frame on this. It's rising, it's perfect. CKB, well, nothing to add on this too. What can I say? It's following perfectly. We got a bounce from the target. If we go more down, we'll just add more really. Or you don't, it's up to you. And if we rise, we'll just have to look for the wave 5. For the wave 5, we simply have to look for these following targets. I'll let you check the price on the right, pause the stream, check the price. Let's continue on dot. Well, nothing to update again. Following again. E-gold pushed the back of this yesterday. Personally, looking forward these waves here. As always, everything is possible. We can absolutely crash from here. Don't forget this. I'm not a financial advisor, but yeah, personally, I'm looking for this for the moment until Bitcoin turns bearish. And in any case, I'm not going to expect, I mean, possibly, but I'm not going to expect it to play out like this and to give me the reward directly. It's for the long term, so even if we retrace from here, it's fine for me. I don't really care. Ethereum, so yeah, let's come to Ethereum now. Well, it's just unstoppable, really. It's keep rising and rising and rising. This is absolutely insane, really. Well, looking forward these waves until we get an invalidation. So looking forward 4,700, and well, this is minimum to reach with that wave 3 as always. With the levels, by the way, we have some nice 2 last resistance here. You can see right there. Okay, we're into the. So we've got the first one here. We've got a nice, you can see, really nice drop, by the way. Oh, you also from the second one, so we can remove that one now, by the way. Maybe we've got a nice stuff there. No, we got, as you can see, oh jeez, it's really annoying when it's doing this. You got this nice reclaim, flip to support, come back up, and well, we're going to the next one next, and a small resistance there too, by the way. So we can, oh, by the way, that was a lower resistance, but anyways. So now we are into the second, I mean the first resistance, let's say the first one. We have some nice big levels coming next, so be aware of this. So we have a monthly TPO, monthly negative path control, weekly level. These are pretty strong levels. So again, if we have to break this, well, big green cars, either flip to support or never come back down and go into the next one, really. But yeah, just be aware of that. We have these 2 last resistance before a new all-time high. So if we start reclaiming this with no, so to speak, around the 4,000 really 100 up to this SFP, by the way, you have to. Well, if there is no reason, if there is no retracement from here, nothing bearish, well, we're just going to get a nice increase in price into this swing Philip pan there of this top monthly and weekly negative path control. And if this is broken, well, happy new all-time high, because it's just going to make a new all-time high, really. And we're going to go for the waves we have planned. So Ethereum, this is a plan really for the moment. Still looking for the same wave, nothing changed. We have just these 2 last resistance to break before a new all-time high. Pretty nice. FET, well, we're into the 1-to-1 extension of the wave 5 at the moment. If we have to retrace from here, well, we just have to pull the retracement tool and look for the wave 4. The wave 2 was pretty big. Pretty small, so we can look for a pretty big wave 4, possibly into the 6,186%. I'm not going to lie, this is something absolutely possible. So the thing is, as always, you just have to take a retracement tool, first click on the wave 3 top, second on the wave 3 root, or the wave 2 bottom here, and you add, all the targets, so to speak here. I removed this, but you can add this back if you want. 23.6, 31.32, 38.2, 50%. And on this one, be aware of the 6,186%, because the wave 2 was pretty small, so if we have to retrace from here, we can do something pretty big on the wave 4. And if we keep rising, well, we just have to look for the wave 3, so the white one here, 423.6, so maximum target. And otherwise, if we go a bit above, as always, this is never well touched to the dollar, so we can go a bit above. We can look simply for the max wave 5 target, so the 1,618. And if we keep pushing higher, well, sorry, I'm gonna update everything. I'm gonna take this more likely as a wave 1-2-1-2, and this was a wave 3 in that case more likely. But for now, until this happens, gonna stay with my plan with this one for the moment. Not expecting a drop really, but it's possible. Feel well, pumping up also that one, most of this. Nothing to update, not trying the lower time frame on this. Floki gonna do a specific update today, but well, everything is following perfectly. You've got a drop, you've got the bounce, and you've got a new high. It was planned here. You got this nice long trade plan with a wave for retracement down to the 50% here, stop loss below the 6,186%. You place some more limits, bigger limits all the way down here, so you lower your entry, and if all the limits get filled, where you have a maximum 2% loss. This is extremely important to get this risk management. And well, you got the drop into the 50%, you don't touch the 6,186%, you can see here, so this is pretty perfect, and you get the rise. So now I'm not going to plan the wave 5 targets now, because I'm going to do a specific update for this, but well, you've got a bounce, this is pretty nice, you've got this really nice long trade here. And again, all of these updates and all of these trades are absolutely free, so this is pretty insane. There are some people that are going to make you pay really some, thousands or hundred per month, well, you can get this for free here. So this is pretty cool, not gonna lie. You can make some nice profit. And if you want, again, to learn how to make such predictions, because you can absolutely do this by your own. You know, I'm not special or whatever. Everyone can learn your waves. You can make this by yourself. And so if you want to learn your waves, just go and sign up on the MOONCHARTS website. Why? Because you have a new course waiting for you there. There is a brand new Elliott wave course that started on Monday, by the way, and you have the first listen available, and you have a contest starting in 23 days. The first one you can win, $300. So the first one will get like 150, then 100 and or 125, and then 75, something like this. And then you have 2 more contests a bit later. And you have the calendar here, your calendar into the account page. So you have the 4 first courses every Monday. Bam, the 4 first courses are free. If you have any questions, I go with a Q&A. And then you have the first contest for free. And then if you want to continue after the 4 first courses, you do not need to do anything if you don't want to continue, because you join it as member, so it's free. You will have to sign up as apprentice and join as apprentice, and you will be able to continue learning. We're going to do some, well, there are 2 more contests, by the way, with some bigger prize pool, and more people will join. More I'm going to increase this, because I don't really care, to be fair, I mean, I'm not doing this to win money, really. I'm doing this for your learning, and just also of course, reward a bit myself. But I'm more doing this for you than for me, to be fair. I don't really care, because I'm making my money from trading. So, but yeah, you have 2 more contests with bigger rewards, and you have some live charting next and everything. But yeah, if you want to learn your waves, well, you have the 4 first courses that represent really already more than half of the full Elliott wave course. So this is pretty cool, and you will be able to learn some nice stuff. So really go and sign up. You have the basic rules there waiting for you. So you came right on time, because, well, this is only for now the first course. The first listen, really, and you have the 4 next, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, Floki, nothing to update for the moment. Gonna do a specific update for this. Gala, well, following again perfectly. Nothing to update. Gerai, well, looking for that wave 2 and looking for a bounce. Don't have the levels on this. It's OKX. Do you have any Bybit stuff there? No. Well, rip, because I can't add the levels on this. Let me see here what we can add as confluence for this. All right, then we have what, a weekly here. So let's add this. Do I have any daily level before that? Around there, so okay. Daily, let's come back here on the 4s. Well, I don't know, because I'm not doing any levels normally on the OKX exchange, so I don't know if, for example, the volume is well respected normally. I have no idea, but if this is respected, well, these are the targets you can look for. First of all, you have the 618, 66%, that I guess will be a flip to support of some few highs there. I guess you've got a level, I don't know which one, but you've got a level here. That was a support resistance, well, here we go. Point of control here, so you've got this nice POC that brings us in line up with the 618, 66%, so this will be the first support, really, if you want to, again. There is no any financial advice, as always. This will be the first target, really, and that will be the second one. Well, yeah, that will be the targets. And well, if we start breaking this, well, this was not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a double EXY XNZ, for example, double EXY. Some correction to take the low, and we just have to look, as I said yesterday, for a longer wave 2 and longer B wave. But if you want to, well, these are the targets, you can look for something. Personally, this is only spot, if I'm mistaken, so I'm not going to do anything on this. Yes, it's just spot, so I don't really care. So yeah, this is the plan on this one. GRT, well, rising, perfect. Looking forward, either a wave 5, either a massive wave 3 here. ICP, well, following. Longer wave 2 if we have to come back down, so for example here, WXY, bigger one simply. Otherwise, looking for this wave 3. ING, not gonna update that one. Just my, well, we just wait for the rise now. Gonna do an update, by the way, today on that one. Caspa taking a while to bounce, to be fair, that one, so maybe a new low here, it depends, but we need here to hold this, the 50%, and we can do a week into the 6.86%, but if we start breaking this, not liking it. Link, nothing to update. Océan in French with a nice French accent. Well, we've got the wave 4, we look for the wave 5. I don't know, this was planned yesterday, by the way. You've got some more stuff there if you want to go and check this out with some FIB times. Well, we've got a wave 4 and 5, yeah. So wave 4 and 5. Well, if we retrace from here, it's simply the wave 3 top, the wave 5 completed. So now we look for the wave 5 here, wave 4 here, sorry. So you pull the retracement as always from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root. You had a 23.6 MC FIB, so 31, 32, 38.2, 50%. And again, this is a Python, really. Not more complex, exactly the same as usual. And if you want to learn all of this again with some more FIB extension, retracement, and everything, can go and check out the website. The new course on this will come either next week or in 2 weeks, really. So you're ready and you already have your account. And if you have some questions, by the way, where you can ask your questions, it's simply on the Discord server. You can go here into the Elliott Wave Q&A, ask your question in there, and if you have any feedback to send us, really, if you want to tell something good or bad, as always, as soon, of course, as it is, if it is constructive, go and check out here the feedback channel, and you can send some feedbacks. So this, if we drop and if we keep pushing higher, well, these are all the targets we can look for that you pause as always, so we can read the price. Ondo, well, can't remember, we was looking for this wave 4-5. Well, these are the targets, and as I say, if we keep rising more, we just switch to something extremely more bullish, so to speak, wave 2 to be in, and a massive wave 3 here. But for now, before to look for this, we can stay with this configuration. OP, I'm not trading this, so I don't care. RD, well, not gonna update that one. Pepe coin taking a bit of a while to bounce, but it's normal. We are in some large waves, so it's normal to take some more time. And well, if we bounce, we just have to look again for the following targets. Here, by the way. Where is this? There. All these targets above, you again pause the screen, pause the stream to check out all of this. You have all the targets above. These are the wave 3 targets, so we're just the wave 5 should end at some point. For example, just make one more new high, complete the wave 3, and then it's either as always an A, B, C, so drop or a wave 4 and 5. It all depends of Bitcoin, really. Next, RNDR, I don't know why I keep saying RDNR, but anyways, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can simply look for the wave 5 here, and the wave 5, the red one, otherwise the wave 3, and the wave 3 targets are the following ones right here. So again, I'll let you pause the stream to read all of this, all these prices, so you can see. And again, all of these TAs are available. You have the screenshot on the Discord server, so if you want to take some more time to check out all of this. Here you go, nice, I washed off this, as I said yesterday or 2 days ago, I can't remember exactly. Well, this is pretty perfect, what can I say, this is falling perfectly, very happy with this. The pump it up, was looking for a while for this wave 1, 2 or AB, so now it's finally playing out. Well, this is perfect. So now we can simply look for all of these targets above us. So 1-to-1 extension, we have only 2% chance top here, so we'll have to complete all of these 3, 4, 5 first of all. So now wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the wave 3 we have the spin waves, and this spin wave will either complete a C or a 3, and these are all the wave 3 targets, so we can do a massive increase in price, maybe to the 423.16. I'm happy with it if we do, but otherwise, yeah, the most common target to reach minimum is the 1618, so around $14, $15 around there, and if we keep pushing high, well, 200% to 618, 3618, 423.6. So nothing more to add on this. We can go on say. I saw that this one was rising nicely, as I said yesterday. Well, we just have to look for a buy in all of these. So we're going into the 123. This will be more, by the way, a WXY. We have more likely a triple wave in there instead of 5 waves, so WXY. And so, well, from here we now look for the wave 5, and if the wave 5 keep pushing higher, well, this was something even more bullish, and we take, in that case, another wave 1, another wave 2, and this was a wave 3 next. But until this happened, we stay with the wave 5. S-Fund, everything is reclaiming, everything is following, nothing to say on this. SHIB taking a bit of a while to reclaim, but again, it's all good, it's absolutely normal. We are in some big, I mean, we start to be in some bigger, larger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's normal to spend some more time and not just drop and bounce directly, such as, you know, the smaller waves in there. Solana, I saw it was rising, so well, just look for the wave 5, to be honest with you. Let me see if we can add some few targets there. So let's go on the log scale, wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 4 bottom, and we can add the wave 5 targets. And well, here you go, you have your wave 5 targets, right? So 350, or no, oh yeah, 350 like this. Let's go on 250, 300, a bit less. Done. So let's remove the two first one there. We don't care about this. And so now, well, this we don't care. These are the two targets we can look for. And if we keep rising, this is an extension. I'm gonna update this. So around well, where we are at the moment, and otherwise $160. And we have some levels above here. Yeah, that will match with the SFP just above. Oh yeah, this one is because it didn't updated. Alright, so by the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, for now I'm gonna stay with this. So yeah, these are the targets. TI, I have done some few TIs yesterday on my side. Personally, don't start it too long here. I was not really paying attention to that coin, but now I'm possibly interested because some few arts are rising, so it may rise also that one. So well, let's remove this. And so I'm taking simply, so here as always, either, so on a bigger time frame, either wave 1, 2, and massive increase in price, 3 or 5 impulsive really. Otherwise we can look simply for an ABC zigzag as always. Oh jeez. Like this. So A wave, B wave, C wave, and so there's just no wave 4 and 5 next. It's as simple as that. So into that wave 2 or into the B wave, we simply have to look for this triple wave down. So either as always a WXY, either an ABC flat. We don't really care, to be fair, except if you want to scout this, but personally it's for more for a swing. So ABC flat or WXY. You've got a 1-to-1 extension, so personally I missed the entry here. You started too long yesterday around there. So 1-to-1 extension, 123 and 1618. How can you place this pool? You just have to take the extension tool. First click wave 1 root, A wave bottom, second click, and third click B wave top. And then you just have to add your correction target. So MC extension, we're already below, so we don't care. 1-to-1 extension, 123, 1618, and add the 200% invalidation of this pan, really. And so now looking for the possible wave 3. If we have to make something longer, well, it's very simple. W, X, Y, X, and Z. And so we go for the Z wave target next, so the pool is going to be a bit different. And so we have to adapt the limits below and the stop loss, of course. So this is my plan on TIA. WIF, well, it's perfect again. What can I say? Just gonna add only these there. Nice. So we can either do something a lot bigger into the wave 5. In that case, this will be simply here a wave 1, 2, and we're going to do something really big to the upside, like really massive, because this will be here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go for an extension. If we do so, we will just have to pull the extension to of this 1, 2, 3 targets, and then 4 and 5 to find the targets, because we cannot be with the bigger waves. And if everything is rising, this is what is going to happen, to be honest with you. And otherwise, if we have to come back down here, well, wait for retracement and then a wave 5. WLD, a bit shy to bounce, but everything is good. We just have to wait for this wave 5 to come. If we have to look for the wave 5, well, all of the targets above, I let you pause the stream to check out this, and we're done, really. Nothing more to add on the art. So everything is following perfectly. This is just lovely to see and really nice. Looking for the bounce on the other assets, and now we'll just have to remain patient and see what's going to happen, really. The only thing we need to do. So yeah, 40 minutes, perfect, not 1 hour and a half, so this is good, and I'm done for today, really. Nothing more to add on the ends. Just gonna go next on Floki, for example, to record an update on Jesmai and on some few other ones, I think. So I don't want to make this too long, so I'm not too tired, because 1 hour and 30 minutes, I'm a bit tired these days, so after such live stream, I'm a bit tired. Can you take a quick look at Ethereum Bitcoin, please? Do you think the bottom of the correction could be in? Yes, of course I can. Main, here. Oh yeah, the thing is, I don't have the answer on what this count is on the full move down here. Let me just check my last TA on this, or the TA there. So lower time frame was just ABC flat. medium time frame, EXY or ABC regular flat. Config 1 ABC zigzag or impulsive up, weird 5 ways up, so okay. ABC zigzag or EXY up, so bigger EXY extends it down in the wave right now, so oh yeah, okay. Alright. And so what was the question again? It was do you think the bottom of the correction could be in? Oh yeah, okay. How was the correction again? There. Oh, we don't respect so much the theory in here. This is normally have everything in there. There you go. Yeah, nice. This is well placed. Well, it's pretty weird to stop like this before the. I mean, look at this. We stop between two targets here. It's well, my count is wrong in that case, but I mean, maybe we have done something like this. Like the thing is, I really struggle to count this as an ABC zigzag. For me, these are 5 waves. The thing is, now we took the low, so it's not really possible. So it means that if these are 5 waves, it's a truncated wave 5 of a node wave 1, 2. So maybe 1, 2. In that case, 3, 4, 5, and so that will be a truncated wave 5 here. So it means that this will be the only correction, really. That's maybe why also I struggle to find this count. And so we'll maybe make a bit more sense. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is not these waves there, and so we have directly the correction in here. And so in that case, we have this bigger wave 1, 2 coming next. I mean, wave 1 here, truncated wave 5, 2, 3, or 5 was always ABC zigzag. We know that now. Like this, or so ABC zigzag. So bam, A, B, C, bam. And so the thing is now, in that case, well, 5 waves. Correction 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, or 5. So A, B to the top is here. No. No. So no. Well, I'm gonna still take it here as always. It doesn't make sense really. So 5, 3, 5, A, B, C. So W. Let me just check some few things here. This match with this, or 1, 2. No. So A, B, C, A, B, C, W, X, Y, but I mean, these are some 5 ways, right? And even here, so ABC is done, so let's try this pool now. Just gonna remove this. That count to the downside is really complex. I spent a nice time. Well, again, we stop between. Forget this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, I'd like to make one more move down. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, this is. I don't know. I don't have the exact wave count for this. I still don't have the insurgents here. I don't know. There's some things here that doesn't make sense really. Well, here we've got some 5 ways up. So we've got 5 ways here. You can see we've got some 5 ways up there. So it's either for an A, B, C flat, so C wave to go more down. I mean A, B, C correction to go more down, or as always for an A, B, or 1, 2, and then we'll have another 5 ways here. So 1, 2, and well, then a possible in that case increase in price. So there are some bullish wave there. Just gonna check something. Yeah, so it's fine. Yeah, we do have these 5 ways there, so can bring us with a nice increase in price. But well, yeah, I can't do more on this. I really struggle to count this. I really don't have the answer for this wave to the downside, so I have no idea. The thing is, if you don't have this, well, you don't know if next is a correction to go more down, or because you need to get the context to expect what's next. And as I don't have this last wave down, I have no idea. Like really, I don't know what this is. If you have some count to propose me really on the Discord server, really feel free to share. I will be interested by this. But personally, I don't find what this whole move is. I really don't know. I really have no idea. Some things doesn't make sense in there. So yeah, sorry mate, can't really help with this, and we stop between some threads. So well, if this are some wave 1-2-1-2, we're good for higher, but otherwise, yeah. People are mad. Oh wait, it was this. People are mad not by Floki. Well, yeah, and they was calling like, haha, it's crashing. Well, yeah, it's crashing because I was watching an old update where I was saying it's pumping, and well, they didn't watch the last update. And the last update, we planned the crash and we planned the reclaim. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything is following perfectly. That's why, well, you know, the best thing you can show to people, the right thing. Well, yes, it's crashing because it was planned, and well, it's recording everything, and so they sold everything, and so they can see it's working pretty well. So maybe this will bring some more people to learn your waves. That'll be cool because this is a goal here, you know, to make some more people learn your waves, some good TAs, and are really working well. If you again learn that good, because of course if you don't learn something good, it's not going to work. But you can see, well, it's pretty perfect. Somebody mentioned LRC in the group. Can you please give update to that too? Not in today's update because it's gonna be too long otherwise, but it's LRC. Yes, I think I forgot to add this into the request, by the way. So LRC. Done. Nice. Yeah. 1-2-1-2-1-2 on weekly time frame. Oh yeah, sure, absolutely. It's a 1-2-1-2 on the weekly time frame. You're right, mate. It's here, so to speak. We have this nice bullish plan here. On the weekly time frame. Well, it depends if you're talking about this wave 1-2-1-2 before or this wave 1-2-1-2 here. I think personally I was thinking about this. That is this wave 1-2-1-2, and then you have another wave 1-2 and new all-time high, pump it up, let's go. This will be also wave 1-2-1-2 really. 1-2-1-2-1-2, and well, now we have some nice wave 1-2 also on the lower time frame, not gonna lie. I think Ethereum Bitcoin is in a large accumulation schematic with spring completed and now looking for push up above last cycle highs. Well, possible, yeah. Yeah, if you want you can pause that here. Second one. Yeah, I guess this. Yeah, you can pause this in Discord. Hi mate, here on CKB please. Yes, already updated that really quick, but you have this and then I'm gonna stop the live stream to go record some updates and well, take a little break as always. Before, it's important to take some break if you want to stay. I mean, I'm not going to teach you this, I think, but it's important to take some break. So here, CKB, well, you know, we have this context. First of all, let's start with this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside a wave 1, 3, 5, we have 5 waves. Okay, so into the wave 3, we have 5 waves, the white ones. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again into the white wave 3, we'll have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to get 5 waves. So now we have more likely completed the white wave 3. So we are in a wave 4. We have planned the buy zone. We got a bounce, and we went into the buy zone. Really, we got a bounce. If we go more down, well, just a simple bigger triple wave into this wave 4, and we just have to add more into this. Be aware of that on some assets it's possible to go and charge a 618 66%, so place your stop loss always a bit below this, not exactly on this, because it's possible we go and touch this. It depends really. And so yeah, well, this is a wave 4 really, and after the wave 4, well, comes a wave 5, and so if there is a wave 5 next, we simply have to look. If we don't, of course, go for a massive extension again, we simply have to look for these 2 targets. I'll let you put the stream to check out the price, and well, that will be the wave 4 here, and so the wave 5 directly. But now, well, this was pretty long, so it's normal to do something pretty small at the moment, to be honest. But yeah, well, otherwise this is a Python really, so everything is following perfectly. And so this is what we can look for. And after the wave 5, well, this will complete the wave 3. And so again, bam, bigger wave 4 and bigger wave 5. And of course, if we don't do for an extension, if we do an extension, the only thing we will have to do here is to look at a smaller wave. Like for example, Floki, we'll have to do a smaller wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 count to determine the targets really. This is a way to go if we have to make an extension. Okay, so if this is unstoppable, well, just don't take profit, wait for me to spot a smaller wave, or just wait for you to do your own wave count, because this is just my plan. You have to get your own plan as always, and it's better you learn the TA and you do the TA than I do. And because you are also, if you, for example, just check out some TAs like this, if you don't understand any waves, well, it's maybe a bit complex to understand everything. And because when you know the waves, you know the probabilities, you know all of this, and so by checking my plans, you can make yours and understand really the probabilities and everything, so get a better risk management, understand better the waves, the invalidations, all of this really. And so as I said, if you want to learn your waves, well, you've come to the right place. New Elliott wave course, the first lesson is already out. You have the first stuff on the basic rules really. If you want to learn waves, you're right on time because there is a first lesson, and every Monday you're going to get a brand new Elliott wave course, and on Wednesday a new Q&A session on the previous course, and you will be able to play a first contest. You can see there are 3 contests. You will be able to play the first one for free on the website. This will be a quiz. You will be able to play it only once, so make sure to learn the course good, and you can find the whole calendar into your account page. And next you will have to sign up as apprentice if you want to continue with me. You will have 6 more courses, but already the 4 first ones represent really a total more than half of the full wave course. So this is why you now, if you want to stay with the basics, and even more than this, by the way, I don't know why I'm saying the basic, because you have more than the basics in this. And next you have some more Q&A, some Elliott wave contests, so bigger price pool, and well, more people will join, more I will increase, so it depends on the amount of people there is in there. So yeah, if you want to learn this, go and check out the website, and you can start your learning already for absolutely free. And if you have any questions, we've got none for the moment, so feel free to share some questions in there if you want. And if you have any feedbacks, well, into the feedback channel here. So yeah, this is the plan on CKB, and now I'm gonna stop the live, just have one more stuff here about PP coin. What was late on the stream? You done PP yet? Yes, I done PP, well, nothing to update. Either, you know, a bigger correction, so ABC flat like this, or WXY with an ABC zigzag in that case. And if we push higher, well, it's simply here as always, a wave 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, massive impulsive, or as always, it can be an ending, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to the higher time frame wave 3 targets, the blue, green wave 3 targets, and from here get a retrace. So the higher time frame wave 3 targets are the following ones. This is a plan what we can look for right now. That's it really, nothing more done on this. So done. Thanks for another stream, Matteo. My pleasure, mate. Hope these streams are helping and helpful for you, and hope you're enjoying them. As always, if you enjoy, well, don't forget to smash the likes. If you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to turn notifications. This is a way to go if you want to really stay updated, to not miss, for example, the update on Floki. For example, if you follow the trade, well, I'm going to next do an update. So if you want to keep this updated, really subscribe, turn notifications, and I'm gonna, well, you're gonna be to get some nice videos waiting for you there. So yeah, make sure to turn on notifications, and if you want to stay updated really before the video, because most of the time I'm going to post, and not all the time, but most of the time I'm going to post on Discord first of all, and then on the YouTube channel. It depends, sometimes first on the YouTube channel, sometimes first on the YouTube, well, you understood. Lost myself. Anyways, so yeah, that's it really. Hope you enjoyed. Take care of you, that's important. And we are, by the way, not Friday, we're Thursday, so there is another... oh, geez, we're Friday already? Alright, well, have a nice weekend in that case. Geez, we're already Friday, what the fuck, it was Thursday. What the fuck, alright, well, yeah, so it will make sense to be range bound by the way until Monday. Geez, we're Friday already. Okay, well, well, this is a weekend tomorrow. Okay, well, nice. So have a nice weekend, take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. So during the weekend, maybe I'm gonna record some few updates, except it's not moving so much, so we'll see. And otherwise, catch you on Monday for the next one. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend ahead, take care, cheers.